Hello everyone, today we are going to make this very beautiful Mickey Mouse wall hanging. We will only use basic shapes for making this. Here is the list of the material you will need to make it. I have already drawn a basic shape of Mickey Mouse on paper. You can also print it out. So here I am joining 3 to 4 strips for making the outline of the Mickey Mouse. So here I have taken some glue on a piece of paper and applying it on paper using a pen to avoid messiness. Now using the tweezers, we will attach the joined strips in the shape of Mickey. Hold it for some time so it will get stick perfectly. Complete it in the similar way. Now we will use the blade to cut the extra strips, but be very careful while using it. So here I am using all the colors to make a coil. So now we will need 5 white coils, 6 black teardrop shape and 5 yellow coils. Attach in the same way as shown. Now we will do the same thing on the opposite side. We will make a scroll using 8 strip, 1/4 strip of different colors as shown. Now we will make a coil using tweezers and then leave it to make a cool shape. Cut the extra strips. I have already prepared loose coil using 2 strips of paper. We will need total 7 petals like this. Stick both the parts as shown. Now for making the another shape, you will need to do like this and in an increasing order. Secure the ends very carefully. I have removed the upper part of the super quiller for making this one. You can also use the simple quilling tool. Arrange it in a round shape and make a coil like this. I have made several coils like this using different color combinations. Using tweezers, bend the front part as shown. Now we will make a loose scroll. Leave some part and secure the end. Now we will attach some coils and shapes, different shapes for covering it. So now we will make a double-sided tight scroll. make another scroll with different design. Stick all the elements as shown. I had make a tiny coil like this to make a petal using a quilling comb. You can also use a simple comb. Secure the end. And remove it very carefully. Attach the another strip and roll it as shown to make a beautiful petal. So here I am using border buddy tool, but you can also use any pen or any cylindrical object to make a tiny petals like this. Make the several coils like this. Check the whole design properly. So guys, here is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel, share it, comment it, give a like. Thank you.